I'm going to talk to you today about oral hygiene in our pet dogs. It's super important actually that we brush their teeth every day, just like brushing teeth in ourselves. The easiest way to get them used to doing that is to start by getting them used to you handling their mouths. So what I usually recommend is using your fingers and just manipulating their teeth, mouth, and gums, praising them, and then giving them a cookie and walking away. So once they're used to letting you do that, you can go ahead and start to introduce the toothbrush. So you can start by putting something that they enjoy, like peanut butter, on it, and letting them lick it off, just so that they can get used to the toothbrush being around their mouth in the first place. And then once they're used to that, you can actually go ahead and start brushing their teeth. Make sure that you're using a pet-safe toothpaste. Human toothpaste has too much fluoride for these guys, so it can be toxic. They make a bunch of fun flavors like peanut butter or chicken or beef, so just make sure you're using something labeled for use in dogs and cats. And then it's important that you just get the outer surfaces of their teeth. Sometimes they'll chew on the brush, making it helpful. Both sides. And the front. It's also important to brush the teeth of our little cat friends too. So similar to when you're doing a dog, training them to get used to it, you can start by putting your fingers inside their mouth and getting them kind of used to that, and then give them a break or a cookie and walk away. And eventually you can start to introduce the toothbrush just like in a dog. So again, make sure you're using a pet-safe toothpaste, something labeled for use in dogs and cats, so that it doesn't have excess fluoride, which is toxic to them. And then you can go ahead and brush just the outer surfaces of their teeth. So use your finger to lift their gums and go ahead and brush the outside of their teeth. Both sides. The goal is to keep their teeth white. You don't want any of the brown or yellow staining. That's actually plaque and calculus and tartar building up. And the only way to get that off is to go ahead and scale it off under anesthesia. So if you notice any staining and you want a clean slate, go ahead and give your veterinarian a call and ask about a dental cleaning.